Alright, this is a cool thing that you put bread in, and then the birds come and eat inside of here. And you can see inside, there's like a little table and a bed, like a little table, a little bed back there and stuff.
What if the bread falls out the end?
Well, I make sure to do it because I taped something on the bottom. I taped it really good down onto here.
Wow.
So the bread doesn't go through the bottom and fall out.
Wow.
And I bend these little things down so the birds won't be scared if this is up.
And
so they can go inside. It won't be
who told you to do this?
I just created it by myself.
You did? You know, wow, that's a great invention. Wow. Good job. Do you think the birds will like it?
Yep.
And what do we put inside?
Some bread.
Some bread. Very neat. What a great invention. Good job.
And I'm 6 years old.
And you are 6 years old, that's right. And already inventing stuff. Because you see all these poor pigeons out here and you saw that man. What was the man doing?
He was feeding it with his hand.
But if he had your invention, he wouldn't have had to feed it with his hands, right?
Right.
He could have just been holding this. I see, and the birds just eat the bread out of there. What a good invention.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Bye. And he also invented all of this stuff here. Very cool. I like it. My creative girl.